Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Shaun and Harry here on location. Another lovely chilly morning.
Yeah,
well, the first of probably many, to be fair.
Yeah,
it's been alright. On a Monday morning down here at location, and we're doing a scrape and treat on the building just behind me here on this lovely little house. I say little, it's quite a big house actually.
Yeah, fairly big.
Yeah, we've got Harry on one of the roofs, giving it a good scrape and treat. But yeah, we'll catch up with Harry in a minute. But essentially here we're back actually. We were here last week and we got rained off. It's a Thursday morning here in Milton Keynes and we're on location. And as you can probably see from the window, the weather is not in our favour. It's been raining all morning to be fair. And we've come down to this roof today to scrape and treat it. We've got some of the boys here just waiting out the rain. And yeah, one of the problems we're facing with the weather being as it is that as we've come here to scrape and treat the roof, we can't actually apply the biocide after, so it'll just be bouncing straight off. It won't be doing its job. It'll be a waste of time, waste of money. So what will happen is we'll kind of wait out the weather, see how it's looking. They're fucking around with me. And yeah, that's our team leader Paul.
Morning, Copper.
He just loves jumping on vans. I don't know what to tell you. He loves going crazy. He loves the rain. He's a bit of a madman. And yeah, it's just started to sort of hammer it down now. Unfortunately, we can't do much but sort of wait it out, see how we get on. Also, we can't wait forever. We'll see what the weather's saying and what the boys are saying. But fortunately enough for us, the owner of the house has come out and given us some coffees and some teas to help ride out this weather. We've got Paul, Craig and Harry here today, seeing out this job. The usual A-team on the roofs. So yeah, we'll see how they do. Liquidated, hydrated. So Paul's got a nice sunny side over there, coming off. But Paul's saying it's experience.
Paul is experienced.
Paul is experience.
He's been doing this far longer than I have.
Scraping the roofs effectively, and we're now putting the chemical on top of the tiles, the biocide, and essentially what this will do is it will sink into the tiles, preventing any sort of moss regrowth. It will just sit there and work throughout the year, throughout its duration. Yeah, so we're just going to do it to the whole house today, and this house should be covered for a fair while. Keep that moss from growing back. Yeah, and you can already see that it's starting to sort of sink in. Obviously the white foam is sort of fading to signify that yeah, it's taking it in, the tiles are taking it in. So we're coming to the end of the day here and we're applying the last of the biocide to the last of the roof on the house. And as you'll see from some of the after photos and images and videos, there is a fair bit of green left on there, but you know what we'll do is we'll come and we'll take a bulk of the mess off, bulk of the green. You know, we'll take that off, and then essentially the biocide chemical will get in the roof itself, and strip that moss, basically letting the weather then take over, and the rain will just wash that away, any residue that's left over. But of course this biocide, this chemical is going to work long term. It's going to work hard, you know, work slowly, but in a few months the roof's going to be looking lovely. And the idea is that in a few months time, in a few years even, you won't need to touch the roof again. You just let it sit there, the chemical's still hard at work, and you have a lovely looking roof for it. And so if you're liking what you're seeing here, please do give us a like on the video. And if you're interested yourself in this sort of thing, you know, maybe you've got a house that you think could do with this job, you know, we're coming for like a day, you know, depending on how big the property is, but you know, one day should do the job. Scrape it, treat it, and leave you be for honestly a few years. So yeah, please do let us know in the comments below if this is something that interests you, and thanks for watching the video.